Time to edit my YouTube video. Look at my hair just falling on my beanie. I'm gonna get the clips off my phone and then come back under the heated blanket on the couch. Okay, so I've kind of been on the grind of showering like pretty routinely. And if you know me, you know that like I like to rot a little bit, or at least I did in 2024. I was a little bit of a rotter. And so far in 2025, I have been taking showers pretty consistently. Whether that means washing my hair or just my body, whatever. And you know what? I think today I'm gonna take a shower. And I don't know why I'm going on this spiel, but I just thought, you know, I'm kind of proud of myself because I'm not letting myself rot for multiple days, and I'm kind of like allowing myself to like feel better by taking a shower, getting clean. And one thing I do when I'm in the shower is especially when I'm having like bad mental health, is I like the water, when the water is running down my face, my hair, everything, I imagine every single water droplet is taking away every single thing that's frustrating me, every single thing that's bothering me, and every problem that I have, the water is washing away. So I'm gonna take a shower, and it's only 12, you guys. I've been up for 6 hours. This is amazing. I'm gonna take a shower, and then I think I'm gonna eat the rest of the soup, the leftover soup, for lunch. So let's take a shower. Okay, time for my favorite part about showering. It's always putting on skincare afterwards. You guys know I love this. Part of my routine every time I shower. Oh my god, it went on my sweatshirt. I always try to do this when my face is still kind of wet, like directly after the shower, because that's when all of the skincare soaks up the fastest and the most efficient. Also, I found my 444 necklace again, so I put that on. She's cute. Protection. My skin has been breaking out pretty badly lately because I haven't been taking care of it, and I've also been eating like shit. But this weekend we're gonna go grocery shopping, so that is when the diet starts. Also, you guys, my beautiful mother-in-law asked for a special segment in this vlog, and I'm gonna give it to her because what she wants, she gets. And she asked me to do a little tutorial on how to do gua sha, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm in no means a professional, but I figure this would be a good way for me to also get on that. So let me finish with my skincare really quick. Okay, first things first, I have to find my gua sha. I'm actually not really sure where it's at. Can someone remind me that I have tape in my makeup drawer? Because every single time I go to look for tape, I can never find it, but it's hidden in the back. So someone remind me I have tape in here. Just kidding. I have no clue where my gua sha is. Like, at all. I have no idea. Well, Steph, I would have done it for you, but I don't know where my gua sha is. I actually don't know the last time I seen it. Never mind. Just know the thought was there. Well, I guess we're gonna do a little perfume of the day. I'm feeling like Miss Rose era. This one is just so beyond amazing. It's actually one of the best scents I've ever smelled. Like, and I'm not even making that up, like, it really is. Now time to go make lunch and make my dogs some food because they're being spoiled today and they're getting chicken and rice. See ya. I'm taking salmon out to defrost because we're gonna have salmon and rice and broccoli for dinner. My mom actually caught this salmon in Alaska. Having the last of the zuppa. Looks so good. I'm gonna use fresh black pepper and a little bit of Parmesan. You guys want to know what's very Jada behavior? The fact that I just made a second coffee. This is what happens when I wake up at 6 a.m. And I just realized I wasn't even finished with my first one. Granted, this is just the bottom, and that's my least favorite part. So, guys, I'm actually really happy today. Also, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys my slippers. Aren't these freaking adorable? I got them for Christmas. I woke up early, and I've been taking care of my mental, I journaled. We'll see what the day brings us. We'll check in with you guys later. Oh my god, wait a second. I just checked outside. My pants are here. You guys, my pants came. I'll unbox them in a little bit because I'm playing Fortnite right now. Oh my god. Bruh. Officially done playing Fortnite, and I think it's time to open up my new pan set. Let me put this up here. Guys, I realized that I am like literally so meant to be a vlogger. Like a YouTuber at least. I fucking talk like a YouTuber, I think. And I'm not saying that in a like self-conceited way at all, but like I talk things out, I think. Anyway, here is the package. You guys are gonna die when you see these pods. They're so beautiful. If you saw my very first vlog out of the year of vlogs, I got I got pans for Christmas. Basically the ones I wanted weren't in the color I wanted when she went to order them, so she just ordered me like replacement pots so I would have some, but I just sent them back to Amazon, and then my mom got the refund and she got these ones because they were in stock in the color I wanted. So hopefully that's not confusing. I'm so excited. Guys, these are beautiful. Look at them. Are they beautiful? So these are the literally beautiful by Drew Barrymore. It's the sage green color. So apparently it comes with a 2-quart saucepan, 5-quart covered casserole, 3-quart covered saute pan, 8 fry pan, 10 fry pan. I'm gonna have to wash all of these because I want to use them for dinner, and dinner will be in like an hour, so I'm gonna have to wash them soon. Do you see this color? I was feeling a little down earlier, so this will definitely help. It's like a perfect circle mold for painting, so I'm gonna keep that. This is beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is beyond beautiful, you guys. Wow, that's actually a really nice pot. Stunning. Ooh, oh my god, I don't have anything like this. Like, this would be good to make pasta sauce and then put the pasta in it, I feel like. Hey, I'm so excited. I'm gonna wash these and we're gonna use them tonight. Thank you, Mom.
You put down the phone. You've nowhere to go. Get back on the road. Yeah, it's so
organize these and get rid of my old shit. Vibes. Okay, excuse me. Back up. Oh my god, you guys are welcome to my cabinets. Okay, so I have one Dutch oven, which I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. It's pretty nasty. My sister left her Dutch oven here, and if she doesn't want it, then I'm getting rid of that one and keeping hers. But if she wants it, then I have to keep that one. Okay, we're getting rid of this. I'm gonna bring everything to Goodwill. Love this pan. It's like my perfect rice pan, but honestly, I think it's better to consolidate and use the new ones. Because if you like look on the inside, can you even see it? It's like not focusing. Get rid of. Excuse me, back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay, this pan is a for sure get rid of. This shit has seen everything. This one I'm gonna keep because it's my like saute pan, even though it looks like shit. This one's just a flat pan, but it's not flat, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna literally put the new ones up here. And if you're asking why I'm using glass cleaner on these, is because I grew up with my mom using this on everything. That's all-purpose cleaner at this point, baby. They might as well rebrand it. This one, we'll put in a big saute pan. Actually, I might put this. And then this one, this beautiful goddess. That's my cute heart one. That one. Grab that shut. Okay, yeah, she's so cute. Okay, yay. The other old pans are in the sink right now, but this is all the stuff I'm getting rid of. Hey, bring me on in, boy. Come on, boys. Ready for dinner?
Gentle. Be gentle. This is why he has a slow feeder.
Okay, dinner time. I'm gonna do a roasted broccoli. I like long ass stocks, boy. I wrote in my journal I wanted you to have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sunrise.
Oh my god, I know.
What's that, Jeeves?
Okay, we're going on a walk. Ooh, you found this deep in the fridge.
No, it was in the drawer.
Guys, we're taking the boys on a walk. My face is red because I've been under the heated blanket this whole time, but let's get the fit check. Hey!
Too tall for your camera.
You smell like sourdough starter.
Nice.
Nice. Decided to go on a walk.
This one gonna walk?
I cannot even lie. That's how you know it's about to start off good. It's when I say I can't even lie. Let me bring you up here. You wanna know what's been all over my fucking For You page in my mind? Like literally rent-free in my mind? Ramen. Like, oh my god. The way my body convulses for ramen is insane. This is one of my favorite ramens ever. Spicy kimchi ramen. Normally I don't get the spicy one because look, that's 4 out of 5. And I think the normal one is like somewhat spicy. But I saw this one, I was like, I have to try it. So anyway, I know literally the last day I vlogged, well, we went on the walk, but it's been like 5 hours since we had dinner because we had dinner at like 5 o'clock. It's almost 10. I'm making ramen because I can't not. So we're gonna make it. I'm gonna make it on the stove though because that's all I've been seeing on my For You page is people making ramen on the stove and making it really good. Mine is not gonna taste exactly like that because it's not the carbonara one. And what? Wait, since fucking when? Wait, that is actually so smart. Oh my god, and it has holes on this side so you can drain. Okay, well, if I was making it in there, I would have done that. My other problem right now is I don't know if I have cheese. Let's see if I have cheese. The way the gods are on my side right now, that just confirmed to me that I really needed to make this. I have to do my daily Duolingo. I can't believe I haven't even talked about this in my vlogs because I've been vlogging for a week. Also, side note, shout out to me because it's been a fucking week, bitch. I'm learning Norwegian. En god salat. A good salad. Bror. Good. Good. Bror. Good. Fucking perfect lesson. Do you guys see that shit? I know that's right. Do you see how many days of a streak I have? 45. Bitch, 2025 is the year I learned my new fucking language, a new language. Except I started learning in 2024, but. And shout out to my mom, Trevor, and Mel, because we all got that fucking streaks. What's up? Also, you guys, you know what's crazy? I did a little experiment because usually I post my vlog and then I post an Instagram story with a link to my vlog. Well, yesterday's vlog, well, actually, when this is going up, this will be I don't fucking know. It's the one that's the title is something like making a bad day good or something, like self-care and journaling. Well, I decided I'm not gonna post it on my Instagram story and just see how it does because I was wondering how many people actually come from my Instagram story. And also I wasn't like the proudest of that vlog. Tell me why that one got the most views out of all the ones except the very first one. Don't know. I'm not in it for the views, but it is cool to see my progress. I also learned that 30% of my viewers aren't subbed, so a bunch of y'all fake as fuck. A bunch of y'all fake as fuck or keeping tabs on me. I welcome that. I welcome that. At least y'all are talking about me. Anyway. Also, shout out to all the people who comment on my YouTube videos. Fucking Elisa, Cassie, Amber. Hi, all of you. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you so much. Genuinely means the world to me. Genuinely keeps me going. Hey guys, hell yeah, it's time. Let's add our lemon. God or whoever is up there is really on my side because my favorite chopsticks I thought were dirty. They're not. Thank you. This is what I like to see, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna add the real kimchi because I kind of like it to be warm. Now goes the sauce. I don't know if I should use it all, you guys. I'm actually scared. That smells fucking spicy, I can't lie. It's gonna be hot. Shit, that's melted enough for me. Oh my god. This is actually so bad for me, but I don't give one fuck. Midnight snack. Let's do a live taste test. It would be so rude of me to make this and not let you guys know if it's great or not. Oh, this bitch is cheesy. That bitch is way too hot to eat right now. It's fucking fire though. I also forgot to tell you guys, but I'm finishing Love Island Australia because Trevor said he's not interested in finishing it. So this is where I'll be, baby. Okay, I think I'm gonna check in for the night. It's like 12 a.m. right now, which is crazy because I'm gonna try to wake up at 6 a.m. again. But I love you guys so much. I really enjoyed this vlog. Sorry, I'm so unstable holding it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you.